everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandria. Welcome. Today we're creating 2 simple looks for Christmas, but before we get into the video, I want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Alexandra, but I go also by Alex. I'm a beauty creator here on YouTube, and I do have a fashion blog. If you're interested in any of the things that I do, I will definitely link it below, from my blog to my podcast. And yeah, so let's really get into what I created today. I created 2 simple Christmas looks. I wanted to create these looks because, you know, Christmas is next week. I'm definitely going to push another video this week because I want to give you guys multiple different looks so you guys could kind of have an idea of what you want to create for Christmas, even if you're not doing much and if you're just celebrating with your small family, or you're going to see family, or you're going to be at home by yourself but you still want to look cute and you want to go ahead and do your makeup. I definitely wanted to create these 2 simple looks because creating makeup looks shouldn't be that hard. So I wanted to give you guys very simple looks that you could go ahead and follow and go ahead and create, even if you're gonna sit in your sala doing nothing and just waiting for food to be ready just for that, and you want to go ahead and have a cute makeup look. I wanted to go ahead and give you guys 2 looks today. I use 1 palette. I've definitely right here. This is a palette. It's upside down. This is the palette that I'm using. It is a little booklet. It has all these different shades, and definitely in the video I do point out which shades that I use. If you don't have this palette itself, it's okay. Like I always say, get something with the similar shades of this family of the palette so you could kind of have a idea of it, and you don't really have to have the similar shades of the palette. Grab something that you want to create and kind of follow the same steps to create a similar look, so you could go ahead and have your own, you know, look that you want to put together for Christmas. But yeah, so I'm telling you, it's a very short video, so I want to get into the tutorials because it's 2 looks for you guys today. And I want to say thank you so much for going ahead and clicking on this video and checking it out. If you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave me a like and a comment. I really would appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And I hope you guys have a happy holiday.